In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic reply out of Office, Vacation Responder. If you're heading away or just need uninterrupted focus time, setting up an automatic reply in Gmail keeps people informed and manages expectations while you're not checking messages. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page. Stay on the General tab and scroll all the way down until you find the section labeled Vacation Responder. Turn it on by selecting Vacation Responder On. Next, set your dates. For first day, pick the date your time away begins. If you already know when you'll be back, check the box for last day and select the end date. Gmail will stop sending the auto reply at the end of that day in your time zone. If you leave the last day blank, the responder will keep running until you come back and turn it off manually, so make a note to switch it off when you return. Now write the message people will receive. Add a clear subject line like, out of office until Jan 10, so the purpose is obvious at a glance. In the message box, let senders know when you'll be back, whether you'll have limited access to email, and how urgent issues should be handled. If someone else is covering for you, you can include their role or a shared inbox, and feel free to use the formatting toolbar to make key details stand out or to add helpful links. Keep the tone friendly and the information concise. Before saving, decide who should receive your auto reply. If you check Only Send a Response to People in My Contacts, Gmail won't reply to unknown senders, which helps avoid responding to newsletters and potential spam. If you use Google Workspace for work, you may also see an option to send replies only to people in your organization, which is useful if your message is meant for colleagues but not external contacts. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. That's it, your responder is active. A quick tip, Gmail sends your vacation reply to each sender at most once every few days, so someone who emails you multiple times won't get repeated responses. You can edit the dates or message anytime, and if you didn't set a last day, remember to return here and turn it off when you're back. With that, your inbox will communicate for you while you're away.